Babo kabalent, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank CuisinaMi for sending us these native delicacies. Again guys, if you've been following me, you know, native delicacies has a special place in my favorite dishes, no? So let me introduce the products that they sent to us. Actually, meron po silang mga list dito, no? So let's start with the Danburs Burong Hipon. So actually this is it. Ayan, by CuisinaMi. And then we also have the Danburs Spicy Burong Hipon, which is this one. So earlier yan, you were able to photo shoot nga. Here's an example, no? So later on, we're gonna taste them. Grabe guys. And then in the middle, meron tayong talangka ng Tatang Aligue. Pansin nyo guys, wala tayong kanin dito because we're gonna taste them on their purest form. And then lastly, guys, yung tinikman ko kanina, yung Apung Toyang Tsokolate, which is your Tsokolateng Batirol. So earlier, actually, it's our first time to do a chocolate Batirol dito sa bahay. And of course, it's not the traditional, you have your Batirol pot and then yung mismong Batirol natin where you prepare the drink, no? Of course, it's more of the modern way na we did it. Pero the way you prepare it is you boil the water and then add mo yung chocolate ni Apung Toyang as you desire. And then once it's boiling, you add your milk. You also add a pinch of salt for, you know, the saltiness. And then again, as you desire or prefer, you can actually add your sugar. Just like what I'm doing. Ayan. And again, in all honesty guys, this is our first time to have a chocolate Batirol dito sa bahay. I've tasted some chocolate Batirol sa mga restaurants and di ako sigurado kung, you know, we did it well. But nonetheless, of course, if it's DIY, kapag may special participation ka sa pagkain, it becomes extra special. Wow, what a great way to, you know, spend the afternoon with a traditional drink done in a modern way. Now I wanna taste yung kanilang talangka ng Tatang Aligue. And actually, if you notice guys, hindi ito yung pure taba ng talangka. So meron siyang, if I can recognize it, meron siyang parang white meat ng actual talangka. Wow, actually it's halatang halata na it's homemade and it's purong-puro. You still have your parang bits ng shell to have all the, you know, meat crabs and the taba in one bottle. You may encounter once in a while. Wow. Actually, totoo yung nasa bottle cap niya. Nakasulat dito, nyamana. Next to taste naman natin is yung kanilang burong hipon. According to our cup, sabi niya it's maparasyo. So let's taste it. Meron tayong ano dito, burong mustasa. This is the Kapampangan way of samgipsal. Yan. So your burong hipon. And then add some pritong bangus, you know. Taste it. Number one, spiciness. I really like it. And then number two, it has its own distinct sourness, which is I really like. And then it's actually creamy. I don't know if they added parang mga cheese dito, pero I'm not sure, no? Don't take note of me that, pero it is actually creamy. So guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends, lalong-lalo na yung friend mo or yung family mo na naghahanap ng mga ganitong pagkain, burong hipon, or yung talangka ng Tatang Aligue, plus this traditional drink, Batirol, Tsokolateng Batirol. Make sure to tag them guys and enjoy these kinds of dishes and food at the comfort of your home. So make sure to contact their fan page. It's flashing on your screens right now. And hope to see you in the next video. Please guys, stay safe, stay at home, and see you in the next vlog. Bye!